14 to 60 on Carnival Celebration. Let's go in. Here we go. Here's the restroom and shower, glass enclosed. It's a very nice bathroom. And there's plenty of storage space here in the closets. Full-length mirror in the door. And over here is the safe and some drawers and some more closet space. Appear to be severely lacking in hangers. Oh, there they are. Very nice looking room actually here on Celebration. This is my first Elite cruise, so I've got an Elite door plate and a package to go with it. My fun times is right there on my luggage mat. TV. There's my name. There's something here. Those are my glasses. But there's a letter here about me making diamond. And there's a gift. So it says it's a VIFP Club leather passport holder and luggage tag set. So that sounds really exciting. And there's a message on my mirror. It says, "Congrats, I made it. It's a diamond." There it is, I made it. From my stateroom steward, Luke. Probably not Skywalker. Probably not. Let's see what else we have here. USB ports and power like you normally see on this kind of ship. A little footstool down here, but it's also a storage bin. So you can sit at that at the desk. And some drawers. You'll find your laundry bags and such in there. A cooler here. I've got some Cokes in there cooling down. Also, they gave me a giant thing of Patron for my Elite cruise. I don't actually drink Patron, so we'll see how this goes. Open the balcony door here. Check it out. Some standard balcony and some pretty great views of Miami. That's Carnival Celebration 14 to 60.